Okay, great morning, great afternoon, great evening. Welcome to our first episode. You heard it right. This is our first episode for our Achieve Mentality coaching sessions. And we have a very special topic for this morning, this afternoon, this evening, regardless of your time zone. And we are very much excited kasi nga first episode to. So baka marami pang bloopers. Bahala na. Okay? The pinaka-importante dito is the content, di ba? The lessons that we can have. So, in this channel or in this platform, kung saan ka man nanonood ngayon, we'll be focusing on insights, information, instruction, and information on how you can have achieve mentality in your life, work, and business. So, what is achieve mentality? This is a term. I personally coined this term. So, obvious naman, no? From the word achievement and mentality. The purpose of this vlog or the videos that you'll be watching in this platform is to instill inculcate sa lahat ng viewers, sa lahat ng listeners, kasi baka ayaw mo makita yung mukha ko, hindi mukha ko, gusto mo pakinggan lang. So I would like to inculcate to everyone yung importance ng mindset na instead na sinasabi mong hindi mo kaya, kakayanin muna. Instead na sinasabi mong wala ng pag-asa, you will be resourceful enough to look for solutions. So basically that's the meaning or that's the deep sense of achieve mentality. And I hope in our videos that will be uploaded, sa mga videos na mapapanood nyo, hope that those videos can serve the purpose. Again, my name is Coach Jep. I'm your Achievement Mindset Coach Jep. I'm a certified life coach and I'm focusing on helping people achieve an achievement mindset. So if you're watching this video, if you're following our social media platforms, isa ka ng ka-achievers. So mga ka-achievers, hope you will like our first installment or our first episode. Ang topic natin in this video is how to discover your purpose. Yes, I know marami na kayong nabasang libro. Marami na kayong mga napanood sa iba't ibang mga sources. Teaching people, instructing people, inspiring people on how to discover their purpose. In this video, I'll be sharing my own experience. I'll be sharing the lessons that I've learned from the people that I look up to in life, work, and business. Para lang sa kaalaman ng lahat, sabi nga, SKL ba yun? SKL, sa kaalaman ng lahat. I was clinically diagnosed of severe sadness, anxiety, and depression. So, kung tingin mo you're struggling in life, work, and business, baka makatulong tong video na to because life is a continuous journey from struggling to striving to succeeding. Let me repeat that. Life is a continuous journey from struggling to striving to succeeding. So sabay-sabay tayo. Ako nandito ko, I'm not here because I'm better than you. I'm not here because mas marami kong alam sa inyo. I'm just here to share my experience on how we can have that kind of mindset, that we can do it, that we can achieve it, thus we can have achieve mentality. Okay, so let's dive in dun sa ating topic for this video. Okay, discovering your purpose. Discovering your purpose. For those who know me, mahilig ako magbigay ng points, 3 points, 4 points. Mahilig din ako gumamit ng acronym. But in this video, I would like to be direct to the point. In my journey sa life, work, and business, and from the things that I learned from my mentors, and also the scripture, okay? So guys, regardless of your religious belief, hope yung mga pag-uusapan natin dito ay makatulong sa inyo, no? In order for you to discover your purpose, you need to know ano ba yung ingredients, ano ba yung elements covering yung purpose. And in my study, in my observation, there are two things that are important component of your purpose. And even the scripture is aligned with that, agrees with that. It's a combination of the skill and the will. The skill and the will. Or the ability and the aspiration. The ability and the aspiration. Or, for much easier understanding, it's a synergy between the purpose and the, sorry, purpose nga pala yung discover natin. It's a synergy between potential and your passion. The skill and the will. The ability and the aspiration. It's a combination. Ang tawag ko doon, it's a marriage between your potential and your passion. That's how you can discover your purpose. Once you discover your potential, once you discover your passion, and they're aligned with each other, that can be a sign na malapit ka nang ma-discover yung purpose mo. Some people will say na kung ano yung dreams mo can be your purpose. Your purpose, for me, your God-given purpose will not change. But what will change? Your dreams can change, your goals in life can change, but your purpose will remain the same. You were created for a purpose. You were created for something bigger. You were created for greater reasons. Always remember that. Time will come. There will be times in your life that you will feel sadness. You will feel anxious. You will feel depressed. But all you need to do is to remember that you have a purpose. You have a purpose bigger than those emotions. Okay? So that you can continue to transform from surviving, from struggling to striving and to succeeding. So let me reiterate. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Na synergy siya ng potential and purpose. How would you discover your potential? Ano ba yung sinasabi ng tao saan ka magaling? Okay? Sabi nung mga teacher sa mga bata, ang kukulit mo, diyan ka magaling eh. Diba? Diyan ka magaling sa kalokohan. Pero pag tinignan mo, magaling pala siya sa communication. Magaling pala siya sa people skills. Okay? So, saan ka ba magaling? Ano ba yung sinasabi ng tao na parang sila hirap na hirap? For them, it's a work, but for you, it's a play. Ano yung parang ang dali para sa'yo, pero sa iba mahirap? That can be a sign of your potential, of your abilities, of your skill. And then, once you will be able to discover and develop your potential, the next question is, what do you love doing? By the way, the word passion does not mean the things that you like doing. Pag sinabing passion, parang movie, Passion of the Christ. Pag sinabing passion, what are the things na gusto mong gawin and you are willing to sacrifice something just to do it because this something has a significant result, has an impact. Yun yung passion. Hindi lang siya, manood ako ng Netflix, passion ko manood ng Netflix. Pag sinabing passion, kahit pigilan ka, magkasakit ka, hindi ka bayaran, hadlangan ka, gagawin mo yun. That's the meaning of passion because there's a greater reason. So imagine, na-discover mo yung potential mo, na-discover mo yung passion mo, and pag yan nagamit mo, na-align mo, that will lead you to your purpose. Example, due to lack of better example, I'm not, hindi naman nagbubuhat ng sariling silya, no? In my journey in discovering my purpose, I found out that people are telling me na parang may skill ka in public speaking. Parang may skill ka in giving strategy. And then, I also found out na I love speaking. I love giving insights. I love telling people, inspiring them, giving them some knowledge, and equipping them. And then I also found out na I love solving problems, whether it's a company, whether it's for an organization. And then right now, yun yung parang nagiging purpose ko. I help people na through speaking like this, no? I help people na magkaroon ng mindset to solve problems. The bigger problems that you solve, the bigger value na inikikreate nyo sa'yo. So, to cut it short, bottom line, if you want to discover your purpose, know your potential, know your passion. And when we say potential, saan ka magaling? Saan ka tingin mo pwedeng maging GOAT? Ano yung GOAT? Greatest of all time. Saan kami Michael Jordan spirit? Diba Michael Jordan is the GOAT of basketball. Ikaw, anong field yon? pwedeng pakikisama sa tao, pwedeng public speaking, pwedeng pagtayo ng company, pwedeng pag-encourage. So, saan ka magaling? Okay? Sunod, ano yung gustong-gusto mong gawin kasi meron siyang impact, kasi meron siyang contribution. Na kahit pigilan ka, guys, passion is not a hobby. Passion is something that will give you burning desire na gusto mong ipagpatuloy kasi it will give you a sense of fulfillment. So discover your potential, discover your passion, that will lead you in discovering your purpose. So hope nakatulong itong video na to. If you want me to talk about other topics, just send me a message kung anong gusto nyong mapag-usapan natin. And also, if you want to collaborate sa mga susunod nating video, welcome po kayo to message me. Let's do that, okay? And hope, again, my prayer is that these videos that we'll be uploading can inspire you, can inform you, can instruct you to unleash and achieve mentality towards a joyful life, excellent work, and fruitful business. Thank you, everyone. See you on the next video. Again, this is your Achievement Mindset Coach Jep. God bless you all and God bless you more.